Hello techies. Alright, so in today's task we had to configure the IP version for TCPIP addresses using the settings below. So we have a couple of settings here, and this is Windows 11. The procedure with Windows 10 is almost the same thing. So to get to this easily, we go to the bottom right corner, right click on this, click on network and internet settings, and we'll go to Ethernet, and then we go to IP assignment automatic TCPIP. So we click on this and it's set to automatic, so we click on manual and we turn on IP4. And one of the reasons why this is a bit easier is that you can copy and paste. For Windows 10 you have to type it out. So in my opinion, I feel it's a bit easier, just my opinion by the way. So we copy the subnet marks and paste it in the subnet box. You have to be very careful when copying. Do not copy space. If you copy space, it's going to mess up your answers as well. So for the gateway, default gateway, copy, paste. Preferred DNS, we have it here. Copy, ensure you didn't copy space along. You paste. And for the alternate DNS server, we copy this and we paste. So everything appears to be fine here. What are we doing next? We just click on save, and then everything appears to be fine. We go to PowerShell. PowerShell, we just type in PowerShell. PowerShell, here's PowerShell. And then we ping. Let us ping this. So what are we pinging? We ping space, we're pinging preferred DNS server according to the instruction here. Ping the DNS server. So the preferred DNS server is going to be 163.128. So 163.128.78.9393. Alright, so we click on enter and that appears to be correct. So let's check our answers. Everything appears to be fine, 100%, and this is successful. If this video was helpful, you might want to consider sharing so that other people can benefit also. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.